Easy to do DIY radio upgrade on Nissan Sylphy. First of all, we remove the panel of the dashboard. Let's take out the original radio button panel and its mainframe. We will connect the product that has been plugged into the other power socket to the original car. Then install the product screen in a fixed position. Let's turn it on for testing. Our products support the camera. First, from our APK installation package of the camera from the file and install it. You can see the effect very clearly. We can install its camera on the door of the trunk of the car. In this way, it is very convenient for you to reverse and park.